Jet knows a project's finish creates a first impression for the customer. That's why you don't need just any drum sander. You need a Jet drum sander. Their unique pull-through conveyor design simplifies operation. The die-cast carriage gives the operator the support needed for demanding projects. The stand increases stability with its 20-inch by 37-inch footprint and also has a storage shelf for operator convenience. Jet's SandSmart technology continuously monitors the drum motor load. It automatically maintains the highest feed rate without overloading the motor. Their industry-first, tool-free table parallelism adjustment simplifies the process of bringing the drum sander in and out of parallel quickly and accurately. A quick turn of the knob makes your adjustment so you can get back to work with minimal downtime. Jet's patented heavy-duty molded dust hood baffle is engineered to be both lightweight and durable. This industry-leading design provides a better, cleaner sanding experience. 97% of all dust is extracted. Changing abrasives is quick and easy thanks to Jet's tool-free take-up clips. Easily adjust the drum height in increments of 1/16 of an inch by rotating the top position hand wheel. Your project's finishing touches deserve the proper finish. Only Jet drum sanders can give you that superior finish you deserve.